Hi, in front of me is Oppo A95 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Password and Security. Now click on Manage Passwords, select Google, and tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete. Then enter your current login method and click on Delete button next to Edit one. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!